This book is about the greedy dog. Not like you at all. By Trish Phillips. Dog was so greedy, he thought it was fun to find something tasty, then snatch it and run. Dog grabbed a slipper, and quickly he fled, then spotted a worm that he wanted instead. Woof! Turn the page. Bird had a worm that she wanted to eat, but Dog dropped his slipper and snatched up her treat. He raced off as Bird shouted, "Tweet, give that back!" But just then Dog spotted a tasty new snack. Tweet! Cat had a fish, and Dog wanted to play. He snatched up her treat, then bounded away. He raced off as Cat shouted, "Meow! Give that back!" But just then Dog spotted a tasty new snack. Pig had an apple. Dog snatched it with glee. "Oh, yummy, an apple!" he shouted. "Yippee!" He raced off as Pig shouted, "Oink, give that back!" But just then Dog spotted a tasty new snack. Duck had some bread, and it looked really fine. Dog snatched it and laughed. "Whoop, now this bread is all mine!" He raced off as Duck shouted, "Quack, give that back!" But Dog kept on running. He liked his new snack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Dog reached the river, and what did he see? A naughty young dog, and he looks just like me. There in his mouth was a huge loaf of bread, and greedy Dog cried, "Well, I want that one instead." Dog took a great leap and came down with a crash. The others all laughed, watching greedy Dog splash. Poor Dog was so soggy with nothing to eat, but never again did he snatch someone's treat. The end. Did you like the dog story, Sparky? You're not a greedy dog, are you?